So a lot of people do complain to me that they don't know how to fill in their SkyCargo address. Well, I can't really blame them truly, because like SkyCargo address is kind of complicated compared to other shipping company like Skyjet and the likes. So if you want to know how to like input your SkyCargo address correctly, then go on and watch this video, because it will help you out, guys. Because on SkyCargo, if you don't fill in your address like very well, so SkyCargo will reject your product, and when they reject your goods, guys, so you will have problem with the supplier and all, so you will have missing goods. So I will advise you to watch carefully and watch this video to the end. So the first thing I want us to do is, so this is my SkyCargo account. So let me just go to address. So what you want to do is, so you want to copy your address. So if you want to copy your address, so you need to click on this section right here. You see this section that says consolidation service, then click on it, guys. So when you click on it, good, very good. So you see this is your address. So I want to also show you something. So on SkyCargo, they usually allocate like unique name for you, so that when your goods get to their warehouse, they will know exactly that this goods is for you. So this is the unique name right here. You see this rubbish here, it's not rubbish, but you see this name AHARXCE. so that is your unique name, that's your unique code. So this is where a lot of people made a mistake. So you see this unique code, some people will just remove it, guys, because they believe that it is like this is not an address or something, so they will just remove it. So you won't have to remove anything, like you don't have to remove anything here, and I will show you how to input it properly, guys. So the first thing you will do is click on this one click copy address. So when you click on it, you can see here it says copy successful. So the next thing now to do is just go down. Let's go to 1688. I will do for 1688 and I will do for Pinduoduo. So let's first start with 1688. So it's loading. So this thing, you have to be careful or else, guys. Well, you just have missing goods. So if you are not careful enough, you don't know how to input it correctly, guys, because like the first time I also use it, so I have issues. So let me just show you how to input it, guys. So the next thing is just click here. You see this setting right here, click on it. So you see address management, so click on address management. So when you click on address management, wait a minute, just wait a minute, guys. So good. So these are the, like, you know, I do procurement, so these are some of the address I have here. I already deleted some, so let me just wait, let's wait for it to load finish. So good. So now you click on new receiving address. So when you click on new receiving address, good. So 1688 have an option that's auto filling. So you see this option right here, let me highlight it, guys. So you see this option right here that says auto filling. So it is very good on 1688. So unlike Pinduoduo that you'll be doing it like one by one, so what you just need to do is just click on this section right here. You see this section right here, just paste it here. So now let's just click on it, guys. So you see there, just click, just paste the address, guys. So this is the address we copied then, so you just paste it here, then click on auto filling. So when you click on auto filling, you can see here the address automatically filling here. You see it's filling here automatically. So now the next thing I also want you to do is that, so you see this is your unique name. It is very important. You see this name right here, you see there's one Chinese name here. So the next thing is just copy this your unique name, guys. You see only this unique name, only this unique name. You can see this is my own unique name, guys. Then click on copy, then paste it here. Don't cut down, just copy and paste. You can see, so this is how it will look like. So some people will just they will just clear this name in the address section. Don't clear its name, don't clear it at all. Leave it in this address section and also leave it in the name section. So that's how it is. And also some people usually made a mistake. So you see this phone number here, they will just clear this phone number and then input their Nigerian phone number or any country they have, guys. Like someone literally messaged me about it, that like the person, the address is not, is saying the address is not, the number is not correct, so something like that, that the address, the number is not correct. So I was like, okay, just send me screenshot, and the person sent me screenshot, and I find out that when I check, I found out that the person used his phone number. So don't use your phone number, because you see this phone number right here, this is the phone number the the warehouse uses to pick call in case all these like local flights, when they want to deliver the goods, so they will call for direction, for, you understand, to know the exact building and everything. So this is the number they will call. But you, if you put your own Nigeria phone number, so it won't go through because the number is not correct. You can see, let's just count this number: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 12 13, because you have to count the 86, so that's 13. But in our Nigeria here, our number is just 11. So you can see, so the number is not complete like that, so they won't be able to call to verify, you understand, to sign and everything. So don't use Nigerian number, leave this phone number right here, guys. So this is how to fill in your SkyCargo address properly, guys. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section, guys. So that's just it. So the next thing now is how to fill it on Pinduoduo. So you see, Pinduoduo is very stressful. I won't lie to you guys. Pinduoduo is very stressful. So but we are going to do it, guys. It will take a long process, but we are still going to do it. So now don't forget, we already copied the address already. So now go to this, let me highlight it, guys. So you see this something that look like location, so just click on it. So when you click on it, guys, you can see here, this is the address I have here. So just click on this plus sign right here. You see this section right here, just click on it. So when you click on it, good. So when you click on it, I want you to do something. So the first thing is, so when you click here, the first thing for you to do is just screenshot. So let's screenshot, guys. So when you screenshot, it will tell you exactly what is written here, because you really need it. So you screenshot, then you use your Google, guys. So if you don't have Google, I will highlight it, guys, so that you can also see the app I'm talking about. So click on more right here. So this is the app right here. You can see here, Google search by image. So if you don't have this app on your phone, just like download it on Play Store or Apple Store, guys. So normal it usually comes with the phone, but you just might not have. So mine is Samsung, so it comes with it, so you just might not have it. So just download it, guys. So now let's click on it, guys. So when you click on it, you can see here, saving image to gallery. It will first save the image. So now let's wait. So good. So you see this translate right here. You see this translate section right here. Wait. So you see this translate section right here. Just click on it. So let me click on it. Good. So you see here, consignee name. That means your phone will be here, your name will be here, your phone number will be here, your area will be here, your details address will be here. So very good. So now let's go back again. So this is where a lot of people made mistake, guys. So don't forget, we already copied our address. We already have our address copied. So let me click on here. So my, what's it called, my keyboard has an inbuilt something that you can copy a lot of things at the same time. So if you just don't have, it is very easy, just like copy and paste. So I already copied the name, the unique name. So it is this name. So that's it. So that's our unique name. So now let's go back to the address and go and copy the number. So let's go and copy the number, or just come to this section right here. Let's use a notepad. Good. So now let's paste the address here, the full address, don't forget. So this is the full address, guys. So now let's copy this name, this phone number, sorry. So copy. So this is the phone number. Let's input it in the phone number section. Good. So now that we have done that, so the next thing is to select the area and everything, but let's first input the address here. So come back here, copy this long address. Guys, you need to be careful when doing this, because 1688 is kind of easy, guys, but on Pinduoduo you have to be very careful, because like you will do the work, but on 1688 it has an automatic filling, like I said. So good. So now that we have pasted it here, so the next thing is this section right here, which is the last one. So now to know this section, firstly, don't forget, let me go back here, don't forget it's the AVR. So what you need to do is come here, screenshot, you screenshot the address. So when you screenshot the address, like you search by image again. So let's go to search by image. Let's go to search by image. Good. Translate. So now that you have translated this, so this is the address: Ujang Logistic, Auda Avenue, Aosan Town, Auda District, Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province. So unlike Nigeria or most African countries, we use like states like Lagos State, Abuja, like Abuja, you get me? So we use states, but China, they use province, and a lot of like countries like that, they use province. So the first thing is for you to look for Guangdong Province. So let's look for Guangdong Province, guys. So you come to this your Pinduoduo again, then click on this button right here. So you see this section, just click on it. So let's use for Guangdong, guys. So the next thing is screenshot. So when you screenshot, come here again, translate. So like I said, it is very like it is a long process on Pinduoduo, guys. So you have to be like, it will take your time, probably in like 30 minutes you'll be done, but you just need to do it, guys. So you come to search by image again, so you translate. Let's wait a bit. So there is no Guangdong Province here. There's no Guangdong Province here. So now let's go back again. Sorry, let's go back again. Good. So you know this section, there is no Guangdong here. So now you will scroll up, so this is the last place, guys. So now the next thing is screenshot again. Screenshot. We are almost done, guys. We are almost done. So when you screenshot again, let's wait a bit. Come to search by image again. Don't forget, we are looking for Guangdong Province. Good. So this is Guangdong Province, guys. You can see here, this is Guangdong Province. So this is the province we are going to be selecting, guys. So now let's go back here and select Guangdong Province. Good. So this is the one that we are going to be selecting, guys. Don't forget. So this is Guangdong Province. So now let's select it. So now that we have selected, you can see it pop-ups another one. So this is like a city in Guangdong Province. So now let's go back to Google search image. Let's go back to Google search image. Let's just come here. So you have to like take your time, because if you take your time, guys, so just click on this section right here, guys. So now let me click on it. So this is the address that we screenshot then. So now let's click on translate. So Guangdong Province, we are looking for Guangzhou City. So after Guangdong Province, we look for Guangzhou City. So now let's go and look for the city together. So now we start again what we did before. So from the up side, we will screenshot. You come here. Guys, we are almost done. Guys. We are almost done. So don't forget, good. So this is Guangzhou City, guys. Sorry. So this is Guangzhou City. The first one is Guangzhou City. You can see we already select Guangdong province and we select Guangzhou City. So let's go and select it, guys. So the first one is Guangzhou City. Guangzhou City. So the last one, guys. So this is the last section that we are going to be selecting. So now let's come here. Let's come back here. Good. So let's click on search by image again. Let's click on search by image. So now let's click on the address again. Good. So we have selected Guangdong province, we have selected Guangzhou City. So the next thing is Aidu district. So let's go and find Aidu district. So now let's just screenshot here. So this is just one role. This is just one role. So let's look for Aidu City. Aidu district, sorry. So you can see, so Pinduoduo takes like a little bit of time compared to 1688, but you will enjoy both app, guys. You need to have both app. So this is Aidu district, guys. So this Aidu right here, Aidu district, sorry. So this Aidu district. So now 1 2 3 4 5. So let me look how it look like in Chinese. So I'm giving you 6 on how I'm doing it. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I've seen it. I've seen how it look like. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is it right here. So that's done. So that is how to like input your address correctly on Pinduoduo. So you can also add this, but it's not really needed, guys, but just add it for in case. So let's add it. You see this name right here. Let's copy it, guys. Copy. Let's come back here. So just add it to the front or at the beginning, guys. It doesn't really matter. So now just click on next, guys. So it's verifying. That's all, guys. We already input our address. This is the address right here. This is the address I just input, guys. Sorry. So this is right here. So this is the correct address, guys. So now you won't have any issue at all on SkyCargo, guys, because now your address is correct, guys. So this is how to input your address properly. So if you have any question, like I said, just drop it in the comment section, guys. So if you are still watching, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.